Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to convert your professional account to creator account. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser and open Instagram. Now just click on settings and you have to go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and here you will see account type and tools. Click on switch to professional account. Here you have to select creator and click on next. Again click on next. Here you can select anything that will fits you. So I am selecting as an personal blog. Click on done and just click on continue and just wait. And as you can see that your account has been converted to creator account. So thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.